Guys, we got a beast in here today. 2022 Jeep Gladiator, but not just any Gladiator. If you guys know this signal, you know what's in it or there. And it is a true demon swapped Gladiator. There it is. They didn't build many of them, but we have one in here. It's only got 7,300 miles on it. So let me show you guys what we've done to it. Mid-length headers there and there. Catless downpipes there and there. They had them cut off. We didn't touch them. Somebody else did, as you guys can see. Then it's got heat wrap all the way around. And then we just installed a Valvetronic Designs muffler on it right there because he wants to control it. When he wants it loud, he opens it. When he wants it quiet, he closes it. Really nice design. There it is, Valvetronics. Then 3-inch pipe continuous heat wrap. It's got a little baby resonator out the back with a dump right there. But there it is, Valvetronics muffler. So stay tuned. And this is a 3.5-inch system all the way back. So all this piping is 3.5-inch. And this muffler is 3.5. Valvetronics is one of the only mufflers that offers a 3.5-inch system. There it is right there. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys hit that subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Because, you know, sharing is caring. So make sure you share this video. You guys also, if you ever wondered, that's the box for the Valvetronics. We always hide it away under a seat or something. And then there's all the lines and stuff. We're going to cut them off and everything. But it's got a receiver right there. And then the power goes all the way to the cigarette lighter right there that you guys can see. All right, so that's how it works. This creates vacuum and opens and closes it, which is a really good design. Not like the electric ones where they jam and stuff and short out. These, they're out of the elements, so it's perfect. That valve open? No. Yeah, that was open. See the difference? Yeah, that was open before. I'm like, man, that's loud. Yeah, now it's closed. So this is valves closed, guys. Go ahead. Give it gas. It sounds so much better after we tighten everything. Ah, that's clean. Valvetronics, you've done it again. That's clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 99.7. Again. Yeah. That's valves closed, guys. Now we're going to do valves open. Go ahead, open the valves. This is valves open. Idle. Right at 82 on this Demon Gladiator. Rev it. Oh my God, again? Only exhaust addicts, boys, girls. Go ahead. 113. Wow. $150. Go ahead and back it up. I like it. Ready to pounce. Ready to take some souls away. Close them. So now this is valves closed again outside. Go ahead. You can hear the whine now with the supercharger. Yeah, that's perfect. Valvetronics. Let me go to the front. Go ahead, do it again. Again. hear it now. Just for the non-believers, guys, okay? There it is. There it is. And there it is. Give it gas. That never gets old. Wow. Wow. That's where it was done, guys. The certified performance.
So this is with the valves closed? It's with the valves open.
Gladiator, one of 20 in the world, guys. Only at exhaust addicts. I don't know what else to say, but that's awesome. So this is valves open on this beautiful Valvetronics equipped Demon. So this is the first pull with valves open, and then he's gonna come back and he'll do valves closed. Here we go. Beast, dude! Wow! Oh my god! Beast mode for the max! Wow! Let's see pull 2! Sucker's a beast, dude! Wow! We're gonna do pull 2 now with the valves closed. So now valves are closed. God! Even with the valves closed, it sounds insane. Wow! I love my job. Enjoy, guys.